Hey everybody, I'm Ant Pruitt, and this is just a quick video to show some footage, sample footage of the Sony ZV-1 vlogging camera. I received this camera from Sony for work purposes to just do a little product review. I'll put a link to that video in the description as well as a card up in the upper right of the video. So be sure to check out that full review there. But I wanted to just share a bit of a sample video sequence shot in 1080p, 120 frames per second. Didn't shoot in 4K. I explain why in that other video. So anyway, here's that video. I hope y'all are doing well. Let's go ahead and check out the little sequence. Take care.